One of the main thing is when you become a lead or like a leader in a company is to remove blockers and barriers for others.
Mm-hmm.
And so when you're an individual contributor, you tend to do that for yourself or to reach out when you want blockers to be removed, but you have to proactively do that for your team. That's one. Another one is to make sure that like you put them first when it comes to, when it comes to positive stuff happening. Let's say you reach your target, to be able to recognize them.
Yeah.
I said, this is because of you, not me. And when there's a fuck up, it's on you, not them. Mm-hmm. To a certain extent, obviously, they need to know that. But like praising in public and reprimanding in private is something also to be careful of, that I do. I try to do as much as I can. But like, I didn't feel like, within 6 months, I'd grown from a strategist to a leader and all of that. I feel it's more that you discover what works with others, and then there is one person that is more suitable to be in a leadership track, while the other ones can go into an individual contributor track and to be as compensated and to have the same benefit than a lead. So it's not really you're a lead, you go in the leadership or you're not. It's more like which one fits you the best. So we felt at the time that I had probably the qualities to be more in the leadership track than individual contributor, because I could lead the team a bit more, maybe in terms of communicating the big goals and motivating people. But it doesn't mean that others who take the other track, which is the individual contributor, are not as valuable or more valuable than I am, because I have less time to do stuff, to execute, and because I have to help the team. So
it's an equally important and different journey.
Yeah, and